This video is about how to plant guava. Guava or bayabas is a tree that can grow 3 to 10 meters high, and many Filipinos have used it for home remedy because the leaves contain antiseptic properties. The 3 essential requirements in gardening: space for your containers, clean source of water, sunlight. Satisfy these basic requirements to encourage your plants to grow. Also, consider the habits of the plant and which part of the plant is medicinally useful. The method in growing guava is planting with seeds. It can be obtained through the guava fruit or bought online. Here's an example of the guava seeds to be used for planting. Prepare your space for your plant. Then, dig 1 to 2 inches deep in the soil. Take note to make sure the soil is loose and remove all the weeds. The suggested soil is sandy soil because it thrives in well-drained soils. Put the seeds in the soil, then cover. Then water the seeds. Water the plants regularly, especially when exposed in sunlight. Be careful in transplanting the seeds and do not break the ball of the soil. Transplant the guava seedling in an open area sandy soil. It's recommended to have 4 to 7 meters distance from each plant. After years, your guava seedling will grow into a tree up to 3 to 10 meters high, depending on the space. Harvesting is best done mid-morning when the leaves are dry, and make sure to harvest only mature and healthy leaves for home remedy use.